So here we are going to discuss some of the very important format of problematic questions that you may get or arise in any type of examination point of view. So related to that of binary trees, and they may ask what is the total number of nodes present, what is the total number of edges that is being present. Like this, in this question pattern you may have maximum probability of getting the questions. So I have took some of the formats. Okay, so if you feel easier for solving this, so any type of questions they may ask, you can use the same logic for solving it. Okay, so now we can start, right? So now first question you see, if you just don't see this diagram, first understand the question. If there are n number of leaf nodes, what they have given, if there are n number of leaf nodes, then what is the total number of non-leaf nodes? Okay, so if these types of questions are being asked, n number, okay, like this if they have asked, you should have to take a default tree structure which I have drawn here. Okay, so this is the default tree structure which you should have to draw in rough. Okay, so for solving these types of questions, so take 0, 1, 2, 3 levels and fill it up with all the children and parents with equal number. Okay, so this is the format you should have to draw. So this is the logic. So make a note. So now how you should have to start this is, if there are n number of non-leaf nodes, so what they have given, from the mentioned point you should have to start the non-mentioned question. Okay, so what you should have to do is take this line, let start as let the number of leaf nodes, what is being given, you should have to take from that assumption. So let the number of leaf nodes. What is the number of leaf nodes they are given? Here n. It is being an assumption, a variable. So according to this diagram, okay, from the assumption you take the answer from here, pick up the actual value. So total number of leaf nodes is given. So here you take the given value. So according to this diagram, what is the total number of leaf nodes based on this question? 1, 2, 3, 4, because these are all the leaf nodes. So will n value be 4 according to my assumption? Yes. Okay. So n value is 4. So now I have got the answer for the given variable assumption of values. So now you take, what will be the non-leaf nodes then? Then the total number of, write as total number of non-leaf nodes. This we don't know, we must have to find based on this question, but in this diagram I can know the answer. So the total number of non-leaf nodes. How many number of non-leaf nodes are present? 1, 2 and 3. This is also a non-leaf node. Okay. So total number of nodes here is 3. See, this one and this one are all non-leaf nodes. Okay. So this is 3. Okay. What is n value? So n value is equal to 4. So what I can do is n minus 1. Can I get this answer? So 4 is my fixed value, n is equal to 4. Minus 1 from 4 I can get this 3. Isn't it? So like this only I should have to find. So the answer is n minus 1. So the total number of non-leaf nodes present for any given tree is n minus 1. Is it clear? So start from the given value. So n is the given value. For n I am going to get the value here. So n is equal to 4. So number of non-leaf node is 3. From this I have got. So now what will be the answer? From this n, okay, I must have to apply any substitution method so as to get this value. Okay, so now we will solve the next question. Then you will be able to follow it, right? So for this the answer is n minus 1 non-leaf nodes are present. From n I am going to derive the value. Okay, so now we will see for next one. This is the next question. So what they are given, the total number of, if there are n number of leaf nodes is present, then what is the total number of nodes present in a tree? So they are given as n is the total number of leaf nodes, isn't it? So what is here actually the total number of leaf nodes? So it is equal to 4, right? So this is equal to 4. So what I must have to find? Total number of nodes present in a tree. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 leaf nodes plus non-leaf node is also 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is my non-leaf node. So when I substitute this answer n is equal to 4 in order to get the answer as 7, what I can do? I can do as 4 plus 3. I can get as 7. Isn't it? Because n is 4. I should not change this because n value is fixed as 4. Okay. So n plus what if I put? I will be getting this answer as 7. So n plus 3. So I will be getting the answer as n plus 3. This is one answer. Then another one answer what we can try is, see, n is 4, isn't it? So 2 into n minus 1. Can I write like this? You just think and see what is n value. N value is 4, then minus 1. What is the answer? 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So what answer I will be getting? 2n minus 1. So for this question, I am getting two possible answers. So in examination, they may ask any one. So based on the substitution, I can derive this answer, friends. Okay, right. So next, we will try another one question pattern. This is another one point. See, if there are n number of non-leaf nodes that is being given. Okay, so start from here. Okay, so total number of non-leaf nodes. So n is my non-leaf node. So write as non-leaf. So what is the total number of non-leaf nodes present according to this diagram? 1, 2 and 3. Isn't it? So meaning is therefore n value is equal to 3. Right? So n value is equal to 3. So now what I should have to find? The total number of nodes in a tree. So according to this diagram, I have total number of nodes in total. What is the total number of nodes that I have in total? So it is 7. Okay, so I must have to get the answer as 7. Okay, by having 3 as my default value. How can I get? You please think and tell me. So n plus 4 I can give, isn't it? So with 3 if I add 4 I can get 7. So I can get the answer as n plus 4. This is one answer, isn't it? So n, this is my n value. See, n with 4 if I add, I am going to get the answer as 7. So this is one answer. Another answer is, for getting this as 7, what I can do? 3 should not be changed. Okay, what I should do? 2 into 3. 3 2s are what? 6. Okay, so if I add 1 with this 6, will I be able to get the answer? Yes. So 7 I will be getting. So substitute what is 3? 2n plus 1. Okay. So another answer is 2n plus 1. Like this also I can get it. Okay friends. Now this is the next possible question. If there are n number of non-leaf nodes, then what is the total number of edges present in a tree? Okay, can you just find the answer for this one? So, according to this diagram, what is the total number of non-leaf nodes? So, we are taking it as n. Okay, so n is non-leaf, isn't it? So, n is non-leaf. So, I must have to find the number of edges in a tree. According to this question, how many number of edges are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 edges according to this diagram. Right? What is n value? So, n value is 3. So, from this 3 without changing, I must have to get the answer as 6. How can I do? So, 3 should not be changed, isn't it? So, if I multiply 2, 3 2s are what? It is 6. Am I getting this answer? Yes. So, means 2n, isn't it? What is n? n is 3. So, 2n. So, the total number of edges present in the tree data structure is 2 into n. Okay friends. So, like this only, if any type of twistings they are asking in the question pattern like this, draw a sample diagram. With this diagram, you try to solve. You will be easily getting the value of n. Okay friends, I think so this session will be very useful for you, right? So in the next class, we are going to take up with another important interesting chapters, right? So bye.